My next song is a gamble, that's what everybody. Yes, this is my signature song here, right? By Kenny Rogers, right? Yeah. I have to show my cowboy image. Yes, reggae mixed with country. That's what Billy Boy, the Jamaican cowboy, does, right? And I'm just gonna go straight in it, right? In the warm summer's day, and the train bapping over, and up with the campus. We'll go to town to sleep, so we don't turn the steering out the window, out the door. Go down over to us, and you begin to speak. You say something of fear, within people's faces, going around the cars. Anyway, can I start with the higher key? I want to start with the higher key. Right, because this, I feel the energy and I want to go higher. Is that alright? Anyway, let me start first. In the warm summer's day, and the train bapping over, met up at the campus, we're both to the town to sleep. So we took turn to staring at the window out the door, the boat and over to us. and he began to speak. He said, son of Babylon, yeah, and I'm bringing up people's faces, going over the cross. You know, I can see your face. Can't stop listening. I can feel the sound of life. So when I handed them my bottle, I drank down that water, and he found a secret. He asked me for a rap. Tonight, just funny. There's no soul expression. We can't say that people. Again, the hero keep out. When this man I heard our home, he's the guy who you can't do.